What's going on, guys? How you doing? I appreciate you guys tuning in today. I have a new one from the House of Rabanne. It's Night Elixir. It's a 2026 release. This will be an official unboxing. So give me a second and let's get through the intro. I'll see you guys on the other side of the intro. So like I said, family, this is an unboxing. Now, it's not a true unboxing because when I got it, I was a bit excited because I appreciate the fragrances that Rabanne is not Paco Rabanne anymore. It's just Rabanne now since he passed away. Nonetheless, from the House of Rabanne, I appreciate the offerings that they give. This one right here, Night Elixir, I was a bit excited to get. I wanted to smell it, so I opened it up, but I still wanted to go through the process with you all so you could see what they sent and everything that comes with it. So again, like I said, this is the box it came in. I opened it up. So as you can see, it's still in the cellophane, but I kind of cheated and went around. All right, they gave me a sample of the fragrance, so I saw this after I had already opened up the box. So give me a second. They gave me this bag. I guess it's to hold the fragrance in. And they also sent this big tote bag, this big old silver tote bag. Rabanne, I'm a dude. I don't need big old silver tote bags, but I appreciate the gesture. Maybe my wife might like it. And other than that, that's pretty much it. A box full of shredded paper. So, like I said, it's unboxing. I know you guys aren't here to hear me ramble on about this juice. So what I'm gonna do is I'll take the bottle out and show you. You know what? No, I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna use the sample sprayer, but I think I'm gonna give that away to someone. What I'll do is go ahead and give my second spray because the first spray had already gone. See, it's already been open. I cut it around the top. Here we are. Classic Rabanne box. They're all pretty much the same. But like I said, it says Night Elixir on there. And this is the bottle. Really beautiful presentation, by the way. This is pretty cool. The black and gold gradient, I really like that. And they stuck with the gold bar theme. As you can see, it says 1 Million Elixir on there, and down there at the bottom it says Rabanne. But here we are. Here's a sprayer. Now they catch a lot of flack about the sprayer, but it reminds me, if you're familiar with Mugler, this kind of reminds me of the Mugler sprayer. It's a bit difficult, but once you know how to do it, it becomes pretty easy. So give me a second. Here's your spray. It's not a pressurized sprayer. Wow, that smells so good. I was trying to save that. It smells so good, guys. This is a bit powdery. I'm catching some chocolate sweetness in it. But again, it's not a pressurized sprayer, but there is a nice distribution. This is a see-through bottle, and it's also a gradient see-through bottle. Most of their bottles aren't. A few are, but this one right here, this is a really nice presentation. I really like that. It's really cool. You see the name of the channel is Cars and Cologne. So when I see something like this, I think paint job on a car. and I can see, you know, if it's done right, I can see this being on a car, a paint scheme on a car. You know, a black into a gold gradient. That'd be pretty slick. I'm pretty sure somebody's done it already. But you're here for the juice. Let's get to the juice. Now on the card, it says mandarin, syrup, and amber. That's what they have listed right here. And if you give me a second, I will log in to Great Old Fragrantica and see if they have any other notes listed. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, I found the note breakdown, the full note breakdown, and they have it listed at, in the top notes, you have mandarin orange, bergamot, lemon, and cardamom. So that was that sweetness, that spicy sweetness. Smells really nice. Now in the middle, this is something unique. I haven't seen this one before. They have maple syrup, cinnamon, and lavendin. At the bottom, they have amber, vanilla, benzoin, labdanum, patchouli, and rum. So, like I said, this is a really nice, sweet fragrance. Now, I'm not big on gourmands. There are some that I like, but they have to be really, really done well. And this is done well. This is dark. This is heavy. You get the amber accords. Let me try it on skin. Oh yeah. On the initial spray on skin, I'm picking up some freshness. I'm picking up that zesty citrus at the top. This is really nice, guys. This is one, wow, this is unique. This is unique. This is one that I think you'd be able to pull off on a warm summer's evening. This is one I think that you'd be able to pull off in the cooler months. This would be great for early spring or late into the cooler fall days when the leaves are falling. Oh man, this guys, this is a hit. This is a hit. I really like this. I really like this. I'm gonna give it a true wearing, and I'll do a video on it after I do the give it a full wearing. All right. Again, this is 1 million. Let me see. Come on, camera. There we go. 1 Million Night Elixir. That is a beautiful presentation. Look at that. From the plastic to the glass, it has that black and gold gradient. Beautiful presentation, really nice fragrance. I'm digging it. I like this. I like this. Really nice. I don't know anything about the longevity. I don't know what it's gonna smell like in 20 minutes when it starts to dry down and whatnot. But I can tell you right now, on the initial spray, to me, this is a hit. Sweet and citrusy at the same time, but not overly sweet, not childishly sweet. You know, this is really nice. I'm glad to add it to my collection. Wow. Hopefully this might be as good to me as Lucky. I got 2 bottles of Lucky just in case they decide to pull a switch on us. Well, not pull a switch, but to cancel it like they did. You guys remember Privé? Privé was a cinnamon apple pie vibe. Really nice. This is, in my opinion, it was a gourmand because, like I said, it smelled like sweet cinnamony apple pie, warm apple pie, and they discontinued it. And rumor has it that they're going to discontinue Lucky. I haven't heard anything lately about it, but I did cop me 2 bottles just in case. And as you can see, I have got the 200 ml Privé. So I always have it with me. I want to wear it. I love wearing it in the wintertime. Smells great. And I think that this Night Elixir is going to be on par with Privé and with Lucky. So that's my unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you can, get your nose on it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. All right, I'm getting the views. I need you guys to subscribe. Help me get some of my money back. Anyway, I appreciate you. I'm out of here till the next video, guys. Peace.